2 kids. And this is the girls' room over here.
So when you come bush, this is where you bring your family?
This is what my girls, that's their living room over here. Yeah. So we'll be staying up at this one.
Okay. So tell the kids about calling out when you come here. What do you do?
Calling out to the ancestors.
Yeah.
And letting them know that we're here, not to scare us.
Yeah.
So we feel the spirits of them, like they nearby.
Yeah.
But they want to harm us.
So what do you say when you call out?
All that we're here with my kids and don't scare us and all that. Yeah.
Okay. You got any questions, Maddie?
Feel their presence.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Feel warm. You know, when I feel warm, that means I'm not there around.
Okay.
Yeah.
So do you know, like, welcome to country, how you would welcome these kids to country, to your country? How would you do that?
I would hold them.
Come on, can you do welcome to country? Hayden, come to Aggie. She's going to show you welcome to country.
Call out to the ancestors and I would tell them that we've got visitors and they're not from here. And please not to scare them. Make them feel safe and home here at our country. Yeah. That's all I would say.
Yeah.
And they would feel comfortable, like no one wants to scare them.
Yeah.
Especially the old people here.
Yeah.
Because kids like this.
Yeah.
I had my nephew's daughter, and first time she came here, she saw one old man. And she said, "Oh, Wulumani." Like Wulumani mean old man. Wulumani. And we said, where? It's there. And we asked her, what he's doing? He's smoking. And she's only a little one.
Yeah.
She's only, 2 years old, and she's
seen?
She's seen it, yeah.
Okay.
He's coming closer, quick. And we told him, go away, but we didn't call out.
Yeah.
When I first came here, we brought that little girl with us.
Yeah.
And we didn't call out. That Bilibala. He's there, look, he's there, he smoked. What he's doing? And I asked her what he's doing, and she said he was smoking. And I said, where is he now? Now he's waving at me, now he's gone now. Yeah.
So this is your special place?
Special place, yeah.
Just for your family?
Yeah. Everyone got past all the time, but never come here. Yeah.
So how often do you come here?
All the time.
All the time?
Yeah. I even have my lunch here on a Saturday.
Yeah.
Weekends, yeah, come here, chill out here.
Yeah.
Yeah. And that's where the other place there, where you take that top, this over there, and we just have a sleep there. Yeah.
Okay.
This there, look, that one there. See that tree?
Yeah.
Yeah. Pretty special place here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's lovely.